Hey, what is going on, everybody? This is Paulio Jr. once again giving you some random information about YouTube. Now, this I did actually hear while talking on the phone with CJ's info, and not that I would particularly do this, particularly do this, but if you are so inclined, you can actually remove, so I'll go to my channel right here, your subscriber count. Now you see, obviously on mine it says at the moment 6.63 thousand subscribers. Now I can actively remove that. And the only reason, from what I've seen and heard, why people would remove this is because they're afraid that people may not watch their videos if they do not have a lot of subscribers. But in the same fashion, it is kind of it's a little shady on the other person's end. Um, I think by not having it up there, it's like you have nothing to hide. Be proud of the subscribers that you have. So, but whatever. Either way, I get it. So once you are in your lovely YouTube studio, all you're gonna do is go to settings, and then what the hell was it? Was it channel? Do, do, do. Channel. Yeah, channel, and then advanced settings, and then literally this is it. This is as simple as it gets. Under subscriber count, you uncheck. This is checked by default. Uncheck. Display the number of people subscribed to my channel. Now, when I click save, settings saved. Okay. When I refresh my channel, this should disappear. It should. And yep, nothing. So whatever suits you. If you feel that you want to have your subscriber count on there, then obviously by all means. If you feel like, there are some benefits, and please let me know if you do see any let me know what you think the pros and cons are of having or not having your subscriber count on displayed on your channel. I would really be curious as to what people think about that. So but for me, I'm leaving it up there. It doesn't bother me whatsoever. So I'm going back and I'm display the number of people subscribed to my channel, save it, and let's go back, refresh it, and we should be right back. Okay. So it's returned, but it's really that simple. So that's it. Let's just be done with it. Let's not drag this out. So if this video did help you, please comment, like, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell so that you get these lovely updates of when I'm putting out new fun random videos. So, and like I said, please comment on what you think what the pros and cons are of having your uh, the number of your subscribers listed. Tell me what the pros and cons are of having it either being publicly shown or not shown. So that's it. All right. I will see you in the next one, everybody. Goodbye.